Are you a YouTube creator who's struggling to find any usable music in the creator library? Well, I have an awesome option for you. The website is called Suno. You can create your own music with just a simple text prompt. This is EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich, and let's get started. The website is suno.com, and on Suno, when you immediately go to the website, you can see a number of different songs that have been created with AI by just using a simple text prompt. So go ahead and listen to those if you want. But on Suno, it allows you to create a song without any music background. All you have to do is to be able to describe it. So to be able to create your own song, let's look to the left and select Create. So this is the area where you can create your own song, like I said, with just a simple text prompt that's less than 200 characters. So here's what I want to do. I love the theme song to Succession, and what I want to do is to create a similar song that I can use as background music for a video that I'm working on. So now I can listen to the song and do my best to try to describe it in less than 200 characters. But instead, I'm just going to put this into ChatGPT, and it did its best to describe the song for me, so I'm going to select Copy. Now I'm going to go back over to Suno. I'm going to paste this description. As you can see, 179 out of 200 characters. And the last step for me is to make the song instrumental just like the actual theme. Now what you'll see in a second, you can have Suno create, write, and perform its own lyrics, and I think that's pretty cool. But for this, we are going to keep this instrumental, and I am going to select Create. And in a few minutes, I should have a song which hopefully sounds like the theme to Succession. All right, so we have our song. You can see that there's two different versions of the song, which happens every time you generate a song using Suno. So let me go ahead and open this first one. How about the second version? Okay, so not bad. Now, if I wanted it to sound like have a little bit more of a hip-hop beat in the background, I would probably just add that to my text prompt and regenerate. All right, so now what I'd like to do is to generate another song, but this time I want to choose one with lyrics. So I'm just going to ask for a positive hip-hop theme for this YouTube channel, EdTech Hustle. And when I generate this time, I'm going to turn off instrumental, so Suno will generate its own lyrics. So let me go ahead and create this, and I should have two versions for you in just a few seconds. Okay, so here they are. We have two different versions. Let's listen to the first one.
Welcome to the show, yo, it's EdTech Hustle. We breaking down the walls with the digital muscle. Learning through the screen from the comfort of your home. This is the place where the cool kids roam. Click that subscribe, yeah, hit that bell. Get the latest tips on how to excel. From coding to math, we got the...
Okay, pretty cool. Now let's listen to the second version.
Welcome to the show, yo, it's EdTech Hustle. We breaking down the walls with the digital muscle. Learning through the screen from the comfort of your home. This is the place where the cool kids roam. Click that subscribe, yeah, hit that bell. Get the latest tips on how to excel. From coding to math, we got the...
Okay, so pretty cool. So two different versions, same lyrics, but different beats, and I think both of them sound awesome. Now, one of the things that's kind of cool is once you finish, if you select the ellipse right over here, you can share this as a link. You can also make your work public so it shows up on that main page. But what I like to do is this option, download. You have two different options. You can either download the audio MP3 or you can download the video, which is what you were able to watch when I played each one of these songs for a few seconds. So the question you're going to have if you're a content creator, can I use this music commercially? And the answer is, well, kind of. If you go over here to the side and if you select subscribe, you can see some of the different options for plans. Under the basic plan, you can see that any songs that you generate are available in non-commercial terms. You do have to give credit to Suno, but you are able to use the music that you generate. You also have a limit to 50 credits or 10 songs per day. Now, if you choose this one, the Pro plan, and you have the option to purchase this annually and save 20%, but this will give you 2,500 credits. It will also give you general commercial terms. So a paid plan gives you the commercial license for the music. A free plan allows you to have a non-commercial license, but in any event, you can use this music for your videos. So go ahead and give Suno a shot, whether you're creating background music for one of your videos or you want to just make a fun song for a friend or coworker. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, feel free to subscribe so you won't miss any videos. And as always, if you have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment area below.
Click that subscribe, yeah, hit that bell. Get the latest tips on how to excel. From coding to math, we got the scoop. Jump aboard, let's form a learning troop.